Hey guys, what's going on? Mintz here, and today I'm going to be going over the 5 simple tips and tricks that can help you raise your KD and get more kills in your games when Season 1 with the Barracks come out for Modern Warfare 2. The first tip I have is don't be scared. Run around the map, don't be scared to take gunfights. Sometimes, to get your hands dirty, you need to be the one on the team doing the dirty work. And sometimes that requires that you have to rush through the buildings, or you might have to flank fast. These are things that you'll be putting yourself into a position to receive a gunfight. And sometimes you just need to be doing that in order to get more kills. Sometimes it takes more sacrifice in order to receive more of the kills. The second tip I have would be jump peeking. This simple mechanic has been known in a lot of other COD games before, and it's still as prevalent as ever. I can't begin how to tell you how many kills I get just by simply jumping around a corner and having the upper hand on my enemy. Simple jump peeking around corners, getting ready to pre-fire these angles. Sometimes you know they're there and sometimes you don't, but just being ready and just jump peeking these corners can get you so many more kills. The third tip I have is using score streaks. Getting a high amount of kills from a VTOL or a mortar strike is one of the most satisfying things to watch as you receive hit markers on your screen like you've just thrown a freaking tomahawk across the map. If you can run score streaks while playing any objective mode, any assist, any capture, any defensive points you may receive towards your kill streaks instead. I love collecting my VTOL and watching it collect 5 to 10 kills while you may only die a few times during that span. This is another simple way just to improve your kill-death ratio. The fourth tip I have would be movement. COD more than ever requires a lot of moving. You need to be able to be constantly running and changing your whereabouts within your playing field. Learning when to ADS, learning when to hipfire an angle, and running routes if you're in danger. If you can manage to get some solid movement, you can put yourself in better positions when the enemy thinks they may have the upper hand on you. The fifth tip I have is probably the most important one in the list, and that is having a good mindset. This can go hand in hand with tip number 1, basically. You need to be willing to have those bad games. Sometimes you're trying to run around the map and take gunfights and you are absolutely just getting laid out like every enemy player is scumpy in his prime, and that's okay. There's always the next game. We all have the bad games, we all have the toxic teammates, and we all get killed by an RPG a few times here and there. Just remember, don't rage out. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'd really appreciate it if you click the subscribe button, ring the bell icon, hit the like button on the video. It'd be much appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.